channel. It's Chasteki again. Today we are going to be working on a source code viewer. We are going to be working on a source code viewer, an application that views a website source code. Okay, so we are going to be able to view any website source code. Okay, just by using that application. All right, we are going to be working on this application using the PHP programming language. Okay, the and what with we're going to be looking at the HTML and using Bootstrap. Okay, we're going to be using Bootstrap to do this. Okay, so let's get started now. So the basic requirements, you are going to see it on the link description. You will see it there. Okay, so let's click on our what is it called, Visual Studio is open now. So but we need to go and create a folder inside our server. So I'm using the MAMP. If you are using XAMPP, you can just go to your htdocs. So I want to create a new folder here. Let's say codes. Okay, so I drag it into the VS Code. Drag into the VS Code. Okay, so I'm going to create let's say config inside the config folder. Oh, it's taking time. Okay, inside the config folder I'll have what app.php. So my MAMP is on. Okay, it's on already. So now since we have this, then we can have what our index.php. Okay, you can see it's on. I'll type my password. It's on. It's on. It's going to show green color. Let's see. Okay, all right, so let's continue. It's loading. It's on already. Okay, PHP. Let's see if we can see green. Yeah, it's green now. It's on. All right, start with PHP tag. Okay, so you can see we are requiring. Okay, before we require, let's test it first. HTML. Let's say HTML5. Oh, okay. Let's say HTML. We want to bring it something. Okay, now so since the server is on and we are inside this page now, we are going to be working with this our HTML now. So the first thing we want to do is to test if the page is working. Just say h1, say hello, it works. Okay, so let's run it with PHP live server first. Save projects so you can see it works. Okay, yeah, it works. Okay, that shows that our application is working. So now go to this app, then make some declaration like the application name, application description, and all. Okay, now what we have to do, let's say want to have define. Okay, we don't want to have the define. All we have to do, we have to create a class that holds our application name and all. Okay, so it's a class. The class name should match app. Okay, so come on, create a new object. Let's say app. Go to what? New app. Alright, so we're having new app now. So we can say when you want to check a source code, we need the site URL. Okay, we need the site URL. Okay, so I say public URL. Okay, so public URL. Then we can have what? Public. Let's say name of the what of our application. Say app name. Then public app DSC, that is description of app description. So now, alright, so let's get the URL first. Let's set the URL. So I'm going to be using a setter. Let's say public function is set URL, which is what our URL. Oh, okay, so you can say this URL is equal to what the URL we are getting. Okay, we've declared already, or whatever be the URL we are entering into that particular space. Okay, now so let's get the URL. Public function, get what URL. Okay, so URL is a string, so you see what it's going to return a string. Okay, it's going to return a string. Say return this URL. Okay, that's URL we're going to be returning. Okay, now we are making use of object-oriented programming, please.